Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please keep watching if you want to see how I created this amazing honey hair and face mask. For my honey hair mask, I'll be using honey of course because it helps the hair to retain its natural moisture, it strengthens our hair follicles, and it helps to promote healthy hair growth. Coconut oil because it does promote hair growth as well, and it does help to prevent breakage and split ends, but you can use the oil of your choice. And apple cider vinegar. And the reason why I'm using this is because it helps to detangle the hair, and it also helps to remove any old residue that was on your hair prior to using the mask. The first thing that I did was warm some honey inside a cup in the microwave and pour it into my mixing bowl. I then added my coconut oil and then just a cover full of apple cider vinegar, and I mixed it all together. Before I apply this mask, I'm going to just take a spray bottle with water and spritz my hair. For any mask that I make at home, I honestly do not measure the ingredients. I just used how much I felt like using, and if you have longer hair, you would want to use more of everything to make sure you're able to cover your entire hair from the root to the tip. So now I'm just starting from the front of my hair and I'm going to section it off. So I'm now done with that first section of my hair, and I am going to clip it to separate it from the rest of my hair that's not done as yet. Now I'm saturating this area of my hair with the mask. That I did not wash my hair before applying this mask, so this is not being applied on freshly washed clean hair. I will, however, wash my hair after taking the mask off. Now I'm going to continue clipping down my hair, sectioning it off, and saturating my hair piece by piece. And you want to be sure to clear out your hair as you're doing this. The apple cider vinegar is going to help a great deal when it comes to clearing out your hair. It really helps with detangling. So here's my hair completely saturated with the honey mask. Since I had more of the mask left, I decided to take the remainder of it and just rub it all over my hair. This is how it looks after I'm done, and I'm going to leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while I let this mask sit on my hair, I am going to show you guys how I make this face mask. So for my honey face mask, I'll be using honey of course, because honey is naturally antibacterial and also antifungal, so it's great for preventing and treating pimples or any acne breakouts. It's naturally moisturizing, and it also calms redness or irritation to the skin. My next ingredient is oats, which is also good for soothing irritation to the skin, but it also removes dirt from our pores and soaks up any excess oil from the skin. I poured some honey in a cup and then I added the oats, popped it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and mixed it all together. Before applying it to my face, I did test it on my hand to make sure that it was not too hot. I poured the mask in my mixing bowl just so that it could be easily accessible rather than a narrow cup, and I just took an old clean makeup brush to apply my mask with. I will leave my face mask on for another 10 minutes, but in the meantime, I will be rinsing out my hair mask with warm water and then my face mask after. So this is how my hair looks after rinsing the honey hair mask off with warm water. My hair is very soft, it's not tangled, and it's very shiny. It feels like it was deep conditioned. I really love how it turned out. Now I do plan on shampooing and conditioning my hair, but I just wanted you guys to see how my hair turned out after just rinsing the mask off with only water. After washing my face mask off, my skin feels very soft and hydrated and very, very clean. I'm very pleased of the results of my honey hair mask and my honey face mask. If you have any questions, comments, tips, or tricks, please leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.